Ebraso said ya can see a summer bro. Ewon Quantana is your friend Eugene. Kwame and an sports team Nina. Ebomiti of an anno penny at each mediano. Ebrasumo Ewon Quantana so black Adaruma. And Huni Adaruma. Jumediani alive. Oh, Facebook. And to know Facebook see I up him so ready on Facebook. Oba Benya Jumediani be a her now the comment no. And so Abba Yabakin Kani in a radio hearing a good day. Etnasia, Obakin Kani in a Jumediani so any amount. Me Pachawa, a up him so radio on Facebook. Oba Ubenya Jumediani be a her now Wagner be a can Kananiama a conkain. Edia Me Pacha Oba. Live video no o like no share Senebeya Unia and so Ebenya Biahena Bibia Koso Kama. Yes, some Macedonia Ghana Football Association no aseye MTN FA Cup. Nyame boa yawada di animia otinachi yawada ya. Ana prelims draw no baso na say na tia 48 Division 1 class and 44 Division 2 class. And then pen for her no my draw no mercy my board game na yima anti afe omo yima banese run of 64 and a home and a premiership class and so eba be ka ho a on be draw na say obia enso ehutima on any besi anti nyame boa yewada and a prelims and so metia draw no ebe baso ama 48 Division 1 class and a 44 Division 2 class draw no ebe baso e dia ho nsam no e ma e ojumade ne so Hazakes ladies and Egusua, omo making Oman Ghana proud. Na nyame boa efiada final no baso. Hazakes ladies, any Mamelodi Sundowns, and ede so na ade say enra Hazakes ladies eche as far as the academy enua or timu bako wabuku place out the final. Second game ni baso Mamelodi Sundowns, any Malabo Kings, and ade so game ni ba na we obi an shebi. Penalty shootout. Mamelodi Sundowns. Eshenum Emma Malabo Kings etimu enai final no is set nyame boa efiada di animia 19th November 5 p.m. and a final no baso Hazakes ladies any team one almost every South Africa your friend Mamelodi Sundowns and a so na endra game no eba na we no quote you see Basigi and in some way etu yanim.
I said the match was not going to be easy because the good teams are those who have qualified for the semi-finals. I always say those were bad teams, those who didn't qualify were bad teams, but you could see that the tempo of the various teams that have qualified was very high, and for that matter, I predicted that it was not going to be an easy task for us. And actually, I would give respect and credit to Asfar for the good game that they gave to Hazakes ladies. Missing the penalty means that they're on them. So there was tactical variations in the second half, and actually we neutralized all their tactical ploys, and for that matter, they could not find their feet rather than to resort to long kicks. So getting the penalty and missing it means that we're still on course because we're sharp in their in our attack. So no wonder that we had the goal, and even we had a glaring chance which was even clearer than even the penalty, but we missed it, meaning that we could still win the game. Finishing is one of the aspects. Patience in defense is also another, because we need to organize our defense very well. We should have the defensive organization well in place, and also compact in midfield and then sharp in attack, which of course Hazakes ladies are not far from doing that.
Wait, I Yansama coach to see Bazigi and the 2 guy there on some no and Mount Janet Tajiri captain Enra or no and as the woman of the match or also and some Kakra or the 2 Jan say and Etienne.
This is actually a dream come true for us. When we won the Waffle, our target was to qualify to the final and also to win the trophy. And this is actually one step closer to it, so we feel great. When we miss the penalty, we are like, oh, what is wrong today? And we keep pushing, and we won it eventually, so we feel great.
Now, how are you looking forward to the coming game, to the final game?
I'm expecting a tough game. And our aim is to win, so whoever is coming, should be prepared. Who do I think we will face? I can't predict. Whoever comes, we are ready for anything.
They are ready for anything. I know I am somewhere. Janet Ejiri, captain. Emma Hazaka ladies the 2 ya. Yadia hon samni bi Emma Nendra. Yadia se abasubodi ane kosua na eguso. National Sports Authority. Abomaba wana baso. Asho munka so munkonkoden na omonye trophy no emfa Emra Ghana. Sa esna former president John Dramani Mahama. And so abomaba so ye pa se. Omonso et Ghana nim ewo tournamenta. Ekoso ewo Egypt no say. Ojidie ewo maba wanim se omonso ebe konkoden no ma trophy no aba Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and so yade so no so abomaba wano aba so bekaya Dr. Baumia de yade se e maba wane kono seda e mo musika nkasa enti no obomaba so se omonso et Ghana nim ayade ho nsem no e bro yenko Blasters game nim kakra enu yade se game no eba ne na no kwasiada no ana coach Hugo Bruce Odijuma Emma Tima your friend in South Africa now my friend in South Africa no dey tuja o se Ghana your big chance pa e wo eye playoff ye kwa akobeden san say o Ghana team na talent wo ball no ye send ball your players amon so e experience omo ball e wa amanane e tori de ogidie e Ghana team nim say Ghana ye be make it to the finals na ya kwa akopiem e wo eye Qatar 2022 World Cup e be baso no ntiano en sama Hugo Bruce coach Emma South Africa bobo ko ni tuja ye de wonsem no Emma ojumade no enso esona ade say aban no aye meche doctor nsiasa ina de atuja so mo hwe so omo de football e de ombenam football so na vaccination aye cause meche COVID-19 vaccination no omo de awo wonkrofo se na be ya ene be konka no mo hwe ani mu say league centers no eho ana ombetimi aboa na Ghanaians na ombe costa no akwa help batches no ye de ombe wa omo pane ni bi na enema konkan ama omo nanuada Ediana Stars to a has of Bobo Koro ene ne kokweti penko ewo Accra Sports Stadium na game no eba ne we no coach asaibedi akodi ni juma ema Ediana Stars Bobo Koro di tuja say ore has of folk team na transition ya juma wo team nim kra na so coaches no eya ho adwuma na yentie ne nsem no sede ode atuya.
Earlier that we are prepared to take at least a point to be prepared well, rehearse well. We started with that 5-3-2. I saw that they were not playing to the instructions tactically. They were lacking something. That's why we considered the goal. So when we went to the wrestlers, I just talked to them. We brought in we made some key changes, and then we changed the system totally. So we saw it in the second that we were dominating play. I think that was the trick. And what do you think? What's the downfall of the opponents from what you saw? I can't say too much about the team, but they were dominating at the first half. They were possessing, and I saw that their possession was in their own half. That's why it won't help the club. It won't help the team. No progression. If the possession, if there is a lot of transition, then it's good. It will be good for the team. At least I saw a lot of the possession was in their half, so it wasn't a problem to our team. And you see, they were possessing, especially in the first half.
Wey ayen sama coach asaredi akon Ediana Stars coach edi tu Jaffa House of Folk Bobo ko no ho a yade ho nsam no ma ojumade nsu Kofi Kozi striker ma House of Folk Bobo ko no say omo 3 games omo nhia no very shameful now disappointed e won omo team no omo performance mo no omo gusu a omo tutu ne ma se ne be ya ene ma be konkan ama House of Folk Bobo ko na yade ho nsam no ma ojumade nsu ena Krabia Sanogo Bobo no 3 p.m. Ewo adakwaja ate no omone asekem Bobo ko na ebo friendly game ni nyina ahead of Nyame Boa Kwasiada game a Kotoko Airborne ewo Babanyara Sports Stadium on 11 Wonders Boboko no na edesese so a ye de ahonsem no ma dwumade ne sunti ye de afisem ni besi na fei resource a enra etoja wa amano ne ye de ahonsem kakra enso agu ha amamo na fei ya sori na radio hini agude enso abetena so World Cup qualifying games ni UEFA de no enra matches ni bi ebas Northern Ireland and shebi Italy so and shebi Switzerland SN9 Emma Bulgaria Antibi eno group C group F no say enetie Austria SN4 Emma Moldova timu baku Israel SN3 Faroes Island enso etimu mienu Scotland SN2 Denmark Antibi group I Albania SN baku Andorra Ansebi Poland SN baku Emma Hungary SN kanimienu San Marino etna fie England ekosho edu 10 ana England ekosho ya eno de tie de ahonsem ema CAF de ani say na tie Niger esa Djibouti kanso a Djibouti etimu mienu Kenya enso etina fese ma Rwanda etimu ba ko na fe Namibia enso etina fe ma Togo ebe say ne kan ba ko ono so anti Guinea Bissau any Sudan game nso no 0-0 honoma eno de tie ena matches no to aso UEFA de no Bosnia Herzegovina any Ukraine ball and for Finland enso any France ball eno group D group E no Czech Republic any Estonia ball Wales any Belgium enso ball uko group G Gibraltar any Latvia ball na for Montenegro enso any Turkey ball na Netherlands enso any Norway ball Comebol say na tie Bolivia any Uruguay ball Venezuela any Peru ball and Colombia enso any Paraguay ball na Argentina enso any Brazil ball ya de ahonsem no ma dwumade no enso CAF de am say and tie group A Algeria and Burkina Faso ball and afei Mauritania enso any Equatorial Guinea eno group B born after Tunisia and so Zambia group B hona group C Liberia any Central African Republic born and Nigeria and so any Cape Verde boy no group D group C ya de ahonsam no ma group D no Mozambique any Malawi bebo na Cameroon and so any Ivory Coast born group F Egypt any Gabon born and Libya and so any Angola born group I no Guinea Morocco any Guinea and so any successor and no World Cup qualified games are baswa ya de ahonsam no ma ukokon kakafa ya de say and a playoff no Jamaica any US and a airbar ya de ehon ensam no ma afa Asia so group B Vietnam any Saudi Arabia airborne China any Australia airborne afa Oman and so any Japan airborne ni nyina games are airbus to Lebanon any UAE ball Iraq any South Korea and Syria and so any Iran airborne ni nyina World Cup qualified games are so and then ye de ahonsam no ma dwumade ne sunti ye de besi na radio hini agudi and so